What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex and the Let's Ride Garage. And yeah, this thing is gonna change for a little bit, so let me show you what's going on. Before I show you, if you're new here, please subscribe if you haven't done so. If you're back, welcome back. If you want to support the channel, check the affiliate links in the description below, and let's hit the next milestone on the subscriber count. Other than that, let's get right up to the point. Let me show you what is been going on right now. So my garage is a mess. It is a mess. Everything is always been a mess, but now it is like literally a freaking mess everywhere. Let me zoom out. And as you can see, it actually sounds way better here now though, because I wanted to do this from a long time ago, and now it was the time, because you know what, why not? My sister-in-law's husband, so my political brother-in-law, he works in the construction, so I had talked to him about it, and he was free this week, so we went ahead and did it. So what we did, well, my brother, I'm gonna call him my cuñado, we did a little insulation on the bottom, like foam insulation all around the perimeter. He removed all the sheetrock in all three walls, and then I ran more outlets. So this one was a 2-prong, so I ran wire through there, and this one is GFCI protected with the one behind that fridge. So that one is GFCI, comes to this one. So from here I went to there. I'm not an electrician, and I'm not gonna be running anything super fancy or anything like that, so this is just to plug in USB, so whatever. Then I run more wire just to have access at the end of the garage over there, so that's taken care of. And then he started putting the insulation back up in here, and that's why it sounds a whole lot better, in my opinion. And then we're gonna do a few patches on the ceiling. I removed the regular bulb that went over there. It's right there. So I took those off. It's actually the case, and it was just a regular one. Took those off and put in the recessed ceiling lights. Then I ran wire to do that one. I might do more, because just those two, they're not gonna be enough. And I like this gives me a lot of light. However, I don't like those wires around, so I don't know what I'm gonna do exactly with that, but the plan is to have a whole lot more lighting here. The fan, I now have it. I took advantage that there was nothing on the wall. Also right here, this is the back wall. That's where the diesel and Freya are at. And I had just a wire coming up through here to a single pole switch over here. It was Alexa enabled, and to a light that is automatically on and off for my dogs. Originally, I wanted to have the switch at the door over there, and now I was able to do that, so it's no longer connected to that. So now the wall plugs are on a separate breaker than the actual lights, so that's a good thing, because I run all my lights LEDs, so they're not gonna draw too much amperage. So now this one used to be over there for the dogs. Now it's over here. I had a 2 gang. I only had these two and these two right here, and this is for the garage lights, and this was all together with the fan. So now I was able to extend this, and now I have a separate outlet for the fan, so that way I don't have to have the lights on if I wanted a fan on, so I can control them separately. So I ran the wire over here. So again, this goes all the way around to that outlet, to that light outside. And then this one is new, and it comes up right here. I had to make a hole over there to run the wire to the fan. So that's that. And if I wanted to run another fan, I can just hook up to that one and go from there. But I don't think that it's gonna be necessarily, because the plan over here is once this whole thing is done, I'm probably gonna put in a mini split over here, and that way whenever I'm working on bikes, on the cars or whatever, inside the garage and it's hot, because it's Texas, baby, I will not need to, well, on the cars I can work inside the house, but on the bikes, yes I can. But this is gonna be way better now. Insulated, like I said, it's literally sounds 100% better now. With the voice quality, I think it's gonna be way better. So yeah, this is something that's going on right now. I don't know, hopefully by the end of this week it's gonna be completed, and I will keep you guys updated, because he's probably gonna start on sheetrock tomorrow, modding, taping, all that good stuff, patching up the ceiling, whatever needs to be patched up, and then we're gonna need to put in, well, he's probably gonna put the shelves back over there. However, I don't know if I want to put them back up against that wall or move them to the back of the garage, put the fridge over here, and then have this side to hang my bikes. I think that's probably gonna be better, because they're more accessible that way. If I have the cars inside the garage, I don't need to take them out to access, because remember, this is the garage door. I had the bikes all the way up against the wall. My Ram sits on this side. The fridge was in this corner. That's access to the patio and to the house. So my idea is to move the fridge to the back wall, maybe in the middle, right there. And then have, or I don't know, we'll see. Or I might be able to keep it here still, and then have this side, because the shelf won't start, probably won't all the way up to here. I think this is where the shelf starts. So that's 1632, that's 3 feet. It's about 6 feet, which is about what I had for the bikes over there. So I probably can put in my bikes in this wall, accessible right here, and then put this shelf up against that wall, and then have my bench, or I can put this shelf back over here again, but then move my tool box over here or over there, and then have my table saw bench over here and have that free over there. So I don't know, I might make a drawing. I take suggestions. What do you guys think? But yeah, I can't wait to have AC in this thing. It's not gonna be running all the time, only whenever I'm here, because my wife, she don't let me use the apartment upstairs, so it is what it is. So this is just a little update. I hope that you guys stay tuned. Again, if you haven't, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and if you want to support the channel, check the affiliates in the description below. That's it for today, guys, and let's keep working on this, and I'll see you soon. See you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.